Imagine this. You visit a shady hacker chat room for just 15 minutes. You get kicked out, and the next day, boom, you receive a WhatsApp voice call recording saying that if you do not report to cybercrime, action will be taken against you. Creepy, right? That happened to my friend. Yes. But the real question is, how did they get his number? That's the mystery we are solving today. We'll try to guess what would have happened. He wasn't selling data, wasn't buying exploits, just lurking for a few minutes. He opened the Tor browser and visited Black Hat chat room, and then this recording comes in, threatening him with cybercrime action. Now, here's the truth. This is a scam. Real cyber police don't send WhatsApp voice notes. They send official notices. But it raises a scarier question. If he never shared his number in the chat room, how did they get it? There are few possible ways. Data breach. His number could already be floating around the dark web from past leaks. Facebook, Truecaller, shopping apps, SIM registration leaks. Hackers often run automated bots that match usernames or IP addresses with leaked phone numbers. The second possible way is IP tracking. Some shady forums often log your IP. If your IP is linked to old leaked data that contains your mobile number, they can piece it together.
Yes, got it.
One more possible way is direct registration. If he had used his real email or number while signing up, boom, they have it. But in my friend's case, that wasn't the case. And another possible way is scam targeting. Sometimes it's just random. Scammers blast thousands of WhatsApp numbers with fake cybercrime warnings, hoping to catch someone who panics, right? So these could be the possible ways. Here's the key thing. These cyber crime WhatsApp calls are not real police. They are scare tactics. They want you to call back where they'll demand money, personal data, or trick you into installing spyware. And it works because fear is powerful. If someone hears cybercrime, they immediately panic. So, what to do if it happens to you? Do not call back, do not share personal details, block the number. If you are really worried, check if your number email is in any database using websites like haveibeenpwned.com. Remember, cyber police don't use WhatsApp to send voice notes. They use official channels, right? This little mystery shows us something important. Your data is everywhere. Your mobile number, your email, your IP. Hackers don't need you to hand it over directly. It's already leaked from past apps, breaches, or careless signups. But knowledge is power. If you understand how these scams work, you'll never be the victim who panics at a fake cybercrime call. So stay sharp, stay curious, and remember in cybersecurity, fear is the hacker's weapon. This is HackerX. Subscribe if you want to see through the scams and understand the real world. See you in the next one.
I take one look at you, you're taking me out of the ordinary. How would you lay me down?